My name is 63250837.
Hello, my name is Fernanda Rodi Rahman. My student number is 63, 25, 11, and 51. Next, Fitri.
Hey, this is me. My name is Fitri, student number 632500123. Don't smoking is Why? My opinion about smoking on campus is that it can harm people around us. Cigarettes contain toxic active ingredients that can endanger human heart, which can trigger many cancer, even shortness of breath. Cigarettes can also be harmful to passive smoker because they can breathe and choking. Very detrimental, is it?
I'm agree with you. In my opinion, the university should be strict about the smoking both indoors and outside the campus area. The reason is that cigarettes, but they are often discarded carelessly, making the campus look dirty. If the campus truly wants to be healthy and comfortable environment, I think this rule must be strictly enforced, not just written on the sign.
Oh, I'm sorry guys, I don't know.
It's okay, Bala.
Smoking is harmful to those around or yourself. Smoking on campus can have negative impacts on passive smokers, sort of coughing, shortness of breath, and cancer, and there are also negative impacts of active smokers, such as lung cancer, negative disorders, heart disease.
Don't smoking in area campus.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fernanda Rodia Rahman. My student number is 63, 25, 11, and 51. I'm from Accounting Study Program Jatiwaringin, class of 63.1A.11. Today, I will present material about the question word. Okay. What is a question word? Question word, also known as WH question, are a set of specific question words in English that we use when we want to ask for specific or in-depth information. The main characteristic of this question is that cannot be answered simply with yes or no. Instead, this question requires a descriptive, detailed, informative answer such as name, time, place, reason, or method. Okay. In question world, there is a term called 5W plus 1H. Let's discuss them one by one. The first word is what. What is what? The question word what is the most frequently used question word and has very broad function. Its function is to request information about inanimate objects, things, ideas, concepts, or activities in general. And the question word for the grammar can function as either the subject or object in the sentence. And the second word is who. The question who is used exclusively to ask for information about people or personalities. Its main function is to ask about the subject or actor of action or state in the sentence. Because who function has the subject, it is often followed directly by a verb, without the need for an auxiliary verb such as do, does, or did. And here I have prepared three example questions using what and who. For what, the example as follows. What is your favorite food? What do you think about this movie? And what are you doing right now? And next, for who, the examples are as follows. First, who is knocking on the door? Who broke the window? Who wants to eat pizza? Okay, next word is when. The question word when has a single specific function to ask for information about time. The time information short can vary differs include the hour, day, date, month, year, season, or specific period of time. Questions using when always aim to option answers related to chronology or moment of occurrence of an event or action. And the next word is where. The question word where is used specifically to ask for information about place, location, or destination. This question helps us determine the geographical position, physical location, or destination of a subject or action. Where can ask about the location of an object. We can use where, or direction of movement to a place. We can use where to. Okay, and this example when and where. Here I have three example again. Question using when and where. For when, the example are as follow. First, when does the store open? Where is the next meeting scheduled? And the last, when the humans first land on the moon. And next example, for the example are as follow. Where is the post office? Where did you leave your keys? Where are you heading this weekend? Okay, and the next word is why. The question word why is very important because its function is to request information about the reason, cause, or motivation behind action, situation, or event. The purpose of the question why is to understand why something happened or why someone did something. And the last word is how. The question word how is used to ask for information about the manner or process of an action, to inquire about the quality or condition of something, and can be combined with adjective and adverb to ask for specific quantitative data such quantity. And we can use how much, or how many. For duration, we can use how long, and frequency, we can use how often. Making the key to digging up in the deep details about how something happens. And again, here, example, I have prepared three example questions using why and using word how. Why we can make This sentence is, why are you studying English? Why did the company close down? Why do we need to wear a mask? And the how make it sentence is, how does this machine work? How are you today? How was the concert? In conclusion, for the question word is essential tools for obtaining specific and detailed answer in English. This schedule my presentation. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Siombing, student ID 63250123. My presentation title is Simple Present Tense. Understanding simple present tense is a sentence used to state facts, habits, routines of general truths that occur quarterly or repeat over time. Simple present tense. When is the simple present tense used? There are four main situations where we use the simple present tense. 1. Expressing daily habits or routines. Example, I drink coffee every morning. She goes to school by bus. 2. Expressing general facts of truth. Example, the sun rises in the earth. Water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. 3. Expressing a fixed schedule. Example, the train departs at 6 p.m. The movie starts in 6 minutes. 4. Expressing instruction or direction. Example, first you take the flour, then you add the sugar. Simple present tense has two main types of sentences, verbal and nominal. 1. Verbal sentences using positive verb. Positive subject plus verb 1, basic verb. Subject, he, she, it. Add s or is to the verb. Negative, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, you do not play football Monday. I do not eat rice every morning. Ask, do, or does plus subject plus verb 1. Do you like chocolate? Does he go to campus on time? Important to remember. Use do for subject I, you, we, they. Use does for subject he, she, and it. In negative and interrogative sentences, the verb return to its base form no, is, or is. Nominal sentences. These sentences use to be as and connector between the subject and the predicate, usually an adjective or noun. Positive. Subject plus to be is, are plus complement. Example, she is happy. I am a student. Negative. Subject plus to be is, I'm, are plus not plus complement. Example, she is not happy. I am not a student. Ask. To be is, I'm, are plus subject plus complement. Example, is she happy? I am a student. Simple present tense. Simple present tense basic. Example, I talk, you talk, talk, she talk, it rains, we talk, they talk. Verb after third person singular. She, he, it. She, he, it. And in S. First person, I talk. Second person, you talk. Third person, three, third, three persons, he, she talk, he talk, it talk. Example, I eat breakfast every morning. They go to the mall every weekend. We sleep every night. Adverbs. Subject plus frequency plus verb. Subject, always, usually, often, sometime, seldom, rarely, never. Example, Fitri always eat breakfast. Rosa usually eat breakfast. They often watch Netflix. We sometimes TV. Fitri seldom drinks milk. Rosa rarely drinks milk. I never drink orange juice. Other frequency expression. I drink milk once a day. I see only. Next. Position of frequency adverb. Subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. To be. I'm, are, is, are. Frequency adverb. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never. Example, I am always plus late. Subject plus frequency adverbs plus other simple present tense. Hurry plus always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, never plus come late. Come is late. Okay. Frequency adverb come after the simple present tense form of be, I'm, is, are. Frequency adverb come before all simple present verb except be. Example. It snow in my hometown never. Come, it never snow in my hometown. It is very cold in my hometown never. Become, it is never very cold in my hometown. Fitri, Fitri is at home in the night usually. Become, Fitri is usually at home in the night. Fitri stay at home in the night usually. Fitri become, Fitri usually stay at home in the night. Spelling and pronunciation. Pronunciation of final E. Example. Class become classes. With watchman become watches. Ending of verb sh. Spelling is pronunciation easy. Exercise. I watch TV every night. Become, he watches TV every night. I have 3 class today. I have 3 classes today. Ending final is toward that and in ye. Example. Enjoy. Become enjoys. Try. Become tries. Exercise. I enjoy music. Become he enjoy music. I try. Become he tries. Next. Use like to, want to, need to. Verb plus infinitive. I like to read books before sleeping. He want to buy a new phone. I need to study English every day. Like, want, and need verb can be followed with beyond infinitive. Infinitive to plus the base form of the verb. I verb without is, ate, or in. That concludes my presentation. Thank you, Mia. See you.
My name is Muhammad Fadlan Abdullah. My name 63250837. Definition of simple present. The simple present tense is used to express habits or routines. We all we eat breakfast together every day. General translations it meat. Present tense, present tense or feelings. I like chocolate. Function of simple present. Simple present is used to 1. Talk about daily habits or Valentine, Valentine's. 2. Stepped General Truns. 3. Experience wings or conditions. 4. That's rebel. Facts scandals of or times tables. Structure positive from subject plus verb dash from plus objects. I play football, sell, work, and bank. For he, she, it, and she all as to the verb. Verb. Structure negative from subject plus do those plus not plus verb. Verb. Best from. I don't like coffee. He don't eat meat. You do not. Don't. Do no. Don't. For I. You. You. The. Use don't. No. Don't. For he. She. It. Strong quotations from do. Do. Dois. Subject. Verb. Base. From. Do you play winter? Do you see student English? And where? Yes, I do. And no, she don't. Sometimes experience. We all tend use. Every day, every week, every year. Always, usual, often. Some things and never. Example. He always drinks tea in the morning. Experience in context. 1. The sun rise in the east face. 2. I breaks my teeth every tea morning habits. 3. She likes ice cream and feelings. 4. The rain leaves and 7. P and M study schedule. Common text. She go to school every day. No. She goes to school every day. Yes. He don't. I like pizza. No. He don't. I like pizza. Yes. Summary. Simple present habits. Spreads feelings. Should does. Use base verb. C and S for he and she in it. Use do, use do, those for canteens and negative verbs. Practice makes perfect. Thank you.